Man, if you love dim sims, this is the best. That's so nice. G'day everyone. Today I'm gonna cook dim sims Kilpatrick. So we'll see what happens. First I want to just steam the dim sims first. Just half cook them. A little bit of water. Not too much water, just a little bit. Just a little bit on the bottom. Put them in, chuck them in the microwave for about 5 to 7 minutes. There we go, they're out of the microwave. I'll put them in for 5 minutes. They look like they're done. So I'm just going to put them in the freezer just to cool down. Righto, they're out of the freezer. Let's cut them in half. That nice blood is shit. I'll put some bacon bits on there. Some with cheese. See what it's like with a bit of cheese. Might be alright. There we go. Got all them in there. Put a bit of Worcestershire sauce on them. There we go, that's what they look like. And then put them in for 5 minutes on 200 so they get crispy. Let's have a look at them. Oh, they look good. Look nice. I'm going to cut up a little bit of spring onion, put on. There we go. Let's try the one with the spring onions on it. Man, if you love dim sims, this is the best. That's so nice. Really good. That's so good. Quick, easy, good for parties. Very nice. See you on the next one.